What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Valvoline oil on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Valvoline High Mileage Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. Even if you don't notice, after 75,000 miles, friction and high temperatures cause leaks, deposits, and sludge that shorten the life of your motor. That's why you need the superior protection of MaxLife, the world's first high-mileage oil, specially formulated to extend the life of your engine. Through its advanced synthetic blend formulation, it supplies boosted wear protection, special seal conditioners, added detergents, and antioxidant additives that help to maximize the life of an engine. Its advanced formula can also be utilized in newer cars to help prevent the causes of engine breakdown before they ever begin. Valvoline High Mileage with MaxLife technology meets the API SN with SN Plus specification, protecting gasoline direct injected engines from low-speed pre-ignition. In our list, the number 4 product name is Valvoline Restore Protect Full Synthetic. New Restore Protect Premium Full Synthetic is the biggest breakthrough in motor oil since Valvoline introduced it 150 years ago. With continuous use, Valvoline's proprietary Active Clean technology removes up to 100% of deposits, while its exclusive Leaky Shield technology works to prevent future deposit formation. A clean engine minimizes friction between metal surfaces, helping to improve fuel economy. Valvoline Restore Protect is the best motor oil for any age vehicle, from a new car's first oil change to high-mileage vehicles. There's no other motor oil like it. Valvoline Restore and Protect Premium Full Synthetic helps maximize fuel economy, horsepower, and engine life. We made it first, so you can keep your pistons factory clean. Renew, restore, repeat, with regular oil changes. An adapted sequence IA testing piston deposit removal, the best motor oil for any age vehicle, from your new car's first oil change to high-mileage vehicles. In our list, the number 3 product name is Valvoline Premium Blue Diesel Engine Oil. Valvoline Premium Blue Heavy Duty Engine Oil delivers superior protection for hard-working trucks and equipment. The proprietary One Solution technology is designed for heavy-duty diesel, gas, or natural gas engines in both on-road and off-highway applications. The engine oil is the only one endorsed and recommended by Cummins and features exceptional oxidation resistance, outstanding wear protection, and superior deposit performance compared to industry requirements. Valvoline Premium Blue Heavy Duty Engine Oil, how the tough get going. Every motor oil we make provides better protection against the 4 major causes of engine breakdown: heat, friction, wear, and deposits, because an original never stops improving. Valvoline's first breakthrough in motor oil was introducing it, and we've been reinventing it ever since, from the world's first high-mileage oil to the world's first synthetic blend. Valvoline became the first trademarked motor oil brand in 1866. Over the last 100 years, as engine technology has evolved, so has motor oil technology, and Valvoline has been innovating all the way. Not only have we been making motor oil longer than anyone else, we've been improving it longer than anyone else. There are those who change with the times and those who drive them. In our list, the number 2 product name is Valvoline VR1 Racing Motor Oil. From drag strips to paved and dirt ovals, racing performance demands race-level protection. which is why motorsport teams and enthusiasts depend on Valvoline VR120W50 Racing Motor Oil, America's racing oil. Our exclusive high zinc and phosphorus formula is engineered specifically for modern and classic high-performance engines both on and off the track, which includes flat tappet and performance cam motors. It's chemically designed to reduce internal friction and enhance power output, while protecting critical engine parts from wear under the extreme conditions of racing. While its high load carrying characteristics, minimum foaming under stress, and maximum resistance to thermal degradation ensure stability and lubrication. Valvoline VR120W50 Racing Motor Oil is recommended for high-performance gasoline engines as well as those burning full or partial alcohol fuels. It is not recommended for vehicles with catalytic converters or in wet clutches. Go with the proven winner, Valvoline, the trusted motor oil brand for over 150 years. In our list, the number one product name is Valvoline Hybrid Vehicle Synthetic Motor Oil. Unlike conventional cars, a hybrid has different demands placed on its engine and motor oil. The frequent stop and start cycle and longer periods of inactivity don't allow the engine and oil to reach optimal operating temperature for proper protection. That can lead to increased condensation and fuel dilution, causing corrosion, engine wear, and sludge. It can also hurt a hybrid vehicle's fuel efficiency. That's why Valvoline formulated a hybrid vehicle full synthetic motor oil. Engineered for the specific needs of hybrids, our exclusive trap and lock technology suspends water molecules in the oil to prevent damage from fuel and water, while ensuring proper lubrication of all metal surfaces. Valvoline Hybrid Vehicle Full Synthetic features an anti-corrosion shield for enhanced protection against rust. Whether your hybrid uses 0W20 Full Synthetic or another grade, Valvoline has a full synthetic motor oil to protect your hard-working hybrid. Keep your engine running efficiently mile after mile with Valvoline Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Look for Valvoline's complete line of hybrid performance fluids from the original motor oil brand trusted for more than 150 years.